What's up? Hi guys, how are you? It's been a while since the last video I made. The reason why is first, it's been raining every day. It's a rainy season now, it's actually raining right now. And the second reason is because I've been working in my job, and also a company asked me for a few pictures, for 15 pictures of Bangkok, skylines and stuff. It was a photography assignment, a paid job, so I took it. So I had to be running around after work every day hoping for the rain to stop, and I got the shots. But since first I was running, and second I cannot show you the pictures because they bought all the rights, so I cannot post them anywhere. So I didn't take my camera and I didn't record any video. I just went shooting pictures. So that's why I didn't make any video the past month. I've been working in photography and I get fresh cash. Yeah, it's a priority right now that the baby is almost here. I'm not going shooting today, so it's not a photography video, so if you want to skip it, just click in some other video. But I'm going to buy a microphone for the Sony a6000 because the sound on this camera sucks, and it has this sound every time I move it. There is a ring on the side and it makes that sound, so I'm going to buy a new microphone for it. I'm going to the shopping mall and I'll take the camera with me and record this, so maybe it's interesting for some of you if you want to see some shopping malls in Bangkok. The shopping malls here in Bangkok are very unique, let's say it like that. So I'm going to change and I'm going out. Okay, I'm ready, so let's go. To the Emporium, it's called Emporium or M Quartier, and they have a Sony shop, so I'm gonna go check it out and see. Normally I buy these kind of things in the internet, in Amazon, but the microphone I want to test it first, so let's check it. Still inside the shopping mall. Really cool. There are amazing views from here, so maybe I'll come someday to take some photos. screaming. Okay, so I have time to buy the microphone. Let's take a look. They make this setup to test the lens and stuff. It's very nice. I see that they have the Bluetooth microphone, but I'm looking for the Shotgun. Let's see if they have it. I'm going to do the unboxing right now in the shop and I'll show you. So it's a microphone, the wind, noise protection, manuals, this on the back. This one is the ECM-GZ1M, and it connects to the camera with the hot shoe. It doesn't have a jack. Okay, so I'm testing it now. This is with the mic and without the mic. With the mic, without the mic, with the mic. I think it sounds much better with the Shotgun mic, but let me know in the comments what you think, because right now I can only listen to it on the camera, so I'm not sure until I get home if it was worth it spending $80 on this microphone or not. But I'm going to take it for a test outdoors. I want to test it outdoors because all the reviews that I've seen are indoors. So yeah, it's not much of a difference, but now I'm going to take it outdoors and see how it does. This is the Shotgun mic, and I'm going to turn it off and see the difference. Okay, now it's off. This is the in-camera microphone, and I don't know the difference yet. I'll know when I get home. Okay, let's do another test with the microphone. This is the Shotgun microphone, and this now is without the microphone. This is the built-in mic. I'm home now and I'm going to do the last test. Now I'm using the Shotgun microphone, and I'm going to switch to the in-camera mic. Now this one is the in-camera mic, and as you can see the difference is quite big. And now I'm back to the Shotgun mic. I've been reviewing the videos I took this evening at the mall, and there is a big difference. I think the Shotgun is much cleaner, and I don't know, I like it. Also, the good thing about this one is that it doesn't need a battery, because I was looking for something that doesn't need more batteries because I'm already done with batteries, and this one does the job. So from now on I'm going to be using this one, and hopefully you're going to listen to better quality sound. And I think it's a good thing to have if you make videos, especially for vlogs and that kind of things, that you are looking at the camera directly and not too far, because I guess if I go way far from the camera, you'll hear nothing, but that's what it is, and that's what you pay for, and it's good. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy with this one. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check it out too if you want to, if you're looking for a solution for the Sony a6000. I'm sorry that this is not the kind of video that I normally make, but since it's raining and all that, I think I might be taking a few more videos like this sometimes, just to show you around Bangkok when I cannot go out and take pictures, because I think it's interesting too, for maybe for travelers or some other people, not photographers. I'm sorry if you hate them, but I want to improve my video making skills, so I'll be making a few videos like this. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.